how to install the software installations ESP32 in the Arduino IDE. So this is the website. Here you can go, and this is the installations, software installations. Here already all the instructions are given here. To program for the ESP32 board we need, so these are the things: editor to write the codes, then compile, and then program to upload the binary code to ESP32. Seem to be complicated. Okay, over here install the Arduino IDE and then write the ESP32 code. Click the buttons of our Arduino IDE to compile and upload the program. So here already given in the website, download the Arduino IDE and install it. After that, install the Arduino IDE, and then so this is the first instruction. You can go in the file, okay, and use the preference control chroma, and then copy the below or text. You can you can copy this one and paste the copy text into the additional board managers which is available in the Arduino boards. You can go in the setting, and in this way you can use the Arduino IDE as a ESP32 board.